We're here at Second Harvest Food Bank in the kitchen. It's a beautiful teaching kitchen behind us where they teach people just how to use
I did
food.
that. I did that for many years. Simple food, simple cooking, home cooking. So
Chef Laurent Zarate is here, and he's created some of the recipes for us. Tomas and Val joining us. Second Harvest is a food bank here, and it serves a lot of people in a lot of areas.
a large area.
And, you know, we talked a lot about unique crops. Well, a lot of those crops come here from, specifically, a lot of them come from the Columbia Basin. All the farmers down there are super generous. You know, the community who needs it.
From your garden, you cannot donate that amount of food, but you can donate your time.
Tons of volunteer opportunities and obviously ways to donate. You can donate product. You can also donate money. The money goes a long ways.
Yeah. You're retired. You don't know what to do with your day. There's no more football season or anything like this to watch. You come here and you do
volunteer.
Packaging. Yes,
Absolutely.
and you volunteer.
And
you
help
create
some
a
people out.
community. I think it's exciting. It's a great time to share and to give back to the community. Also,
Love it.
There's always time.
Yeah,
always time.
Exactly.
Yeah.
What are we going to make today? What recipe are we?
Well, we're going to do an ice cream that does not need to have an ice cream maker. So it's a very easy ice cream to do at home. And we're going to make something a little different with cranberry. Not used with my culture, not used to work too much with cranberries.
Yeah.
We work here in the United States with fresh cranberry maybe 1 month out of the year in November. But you can use that recipe for something else. And maybe for Thanksgiving dinner. So a Cranberry Coulis with a bourbon ice cream.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
Goodness, okay.
I'm ready. Let's see how we make it. This is so pretty.
It is, and the colors, the pistachio green, that beautiful
It looks
reddish.
like a great holiday dessert, you know, with the colors.
This was a process.
It is a process. This is
a
not
little
a
different.
one-pan recipe.
No.
You gotta follow
No.
a recipe, but if you wanna be a better cook home, you gotta sometimes to tackle some harder recipe in order
Right.
to progress.
The coulis is delicious. It's nice and tart.
Yeah.
There's just so much happening in my mouth.
The tartness of the cranberries, and then you got that nice crunch of the pistachios.
Pistachios and the smoothness of the creaminess. It's lovely.
I could see you using this coulis for just other things.
You can use it for Thanksgiving. Do it something different for Thanksgiving. Something,
Maybe
unusual.
over a little goat cheese, Chef.
Oh, that would sound great.
She has good ideas.
I know.
I like to eat.
I like
That's
to
why
eat.
they don't usually have me in these segments. I turn into another person.
I love it. Well, definitely something to give a try and take it up a notch, right?
Tackle something out of your comfort zone. And then it's going to become your comfort zone. So it's perfect.
Well, thanks for sharing this.
You're very welcome.
To get the recipe for Chef Laurent Zarate's bourbon ice cream with cranberry coulis, visit us at wagrown.com.